Hello and welcome to Affinity. When you're editing a picture using curves, it is often a good idea to separate the editing of the tones, the black and white part of the picture, from the colours, and you can do quite separate things then with it. So with this picture then, if I go to curves here, and if I set the blend mode to, where is it, luminosity, I will now be editing just the black and white part. So a way to do that, if I go to the picker here, go to the dark part and just drag it up, and that shows me where that is on here. I can even go to another part here and figure that. I don't want all that sky up there to get that bright, so I can pull this down. And I can even just adjust that a bit more there, so just the darker parts of the image are pulled up, but not so much that it's unrealistic. Now then, if I go to curves again now, if I just want to edit the colour, I go to the blend mode down here, and I change that to colour, which is a combination of hue and saturation, which is effectively the opposite of luminosity. Now then, I can just pull this up and down here, and it doesn't seem to do much. But if I do a kind of an S-curve like this, the colours get a lot steeper here. And what it is, it's this mid-tone here. The whole thing, because when you go a steeper curve, you're going to create more contrast, and now we're doing just color contrast. So I can just right click those to get rid of them and just make the whole thing steeper by pull this in a bit, and this, oops, where has that gone? There we go, and pull this in, and now look at you doing to the color here. You're creating huge color contrast just by making the whole thing steep, and because you're only editing the colour, not the black and whites, it's not making the whole picture look that weird. So you can push that as far as you like, say trying to keep it realistic, but you could have quite a red sun there and that bright light on the clouds. And that goes from this to that with the colour, and from that to that with the black and white. So black and white on the tone and then add the colour, and you've made quite a lot of difference to the picture just with a couple of curves separating out editing the tone from the colour. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.